The AMTIFO AT1 dual camera kit offers an effortless installation process, complete with a Furrion bracket and pigtail wire, making it suitable for various vehicles like RVs, trucks, and trailers. This innovative kit combines a rearview camera and a front dash cam, providing a comprehensive view of your surroundings through a large 7-inch monitor, enhancing both driving and reversing safety. With the inclusion of a 32 GB memory card and 24-hour loop recording, you can capture continuous footage without worrying about running out of storage space. The enhanced signal technology ensures a stable connection with a range of 825 feet in open areas and 320 feet within vehicles, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring advanced technology, the backup camera includes a wide-angle lens, backup guidelines, and high water and weather resistance, delivering clear, high-definition images even in challenging conditions. The camera's 1080p true image quality and ultra-clear night vision capabilities allow for detailed recording of license plates and road signs, making it perfect for a variety of vehicles including RVs, buses, and trucks.